this. Yeah.
Wow. Well, it's probably doing part of that because of the metal lighting up.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Have we lost it? Oh, there, it keeps going.
Every time you think it's done, it keeps going.
Hasn't cracked the glass on it yet, though.
Might melt before it cracks. Got some neat colors out of that.
Mm-hmm. I like when it arcs. You know, it's like...
Yeah.
It's mostly just orange, and I guess that's probably whatever...
Well, it started out purple, though.
Yeah, it did. It did. I wonder if that's just whatever gases it was in there burned up.
Well, it's it should be a vacuum, right?
Inside? No, it has a gas. It has the... I don't think it's a vacuum.
There it goes. As far as I know, the glass actually can melt. So.
Oh, I think our wheel is having issues.
I think that one's done.
Yeah, obviously don't touch it.